Keep your chin up. The power of positivity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very uplifting and motivational phrase, keep your chin up. This phrase is not just about physical posture. It's a metaphor for maintaining a positive attitude during tough times. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Keep your chin up is an idiomatic expression used to encourage someone to stay positive and not lose hope or give up, even when facing difficulties or challenges. The phrase visualizes the act of lifting one's chin, symbolizing high spirits and resilience. It's a reminder that attitude can greatly impact our ability to overcome obstacles. While the exact origin of this phrase is difficult to pinpoint, it has been a part of English language for centuries, evolving from the literal act of holding one's head high to signify dignity, confidence, and optimism. Over time, keep your chin up has become a popular and heartening advice to uplift someone experiencing hard times, suggesting that a positive outlook can change one's perspective and outcome. Using keep your chin up in conversation is a way to show empathy and support. It's suitable for both informal and semi-formal situations. Here are a few examples of how you might use this phrase. When a friend is going through a tough breakup, I know it's hard now, but keep your chin up. Things will get better. If a colleague is stressed about work, keep your chin up. We'll get through this busy period together. Encouraging yourself during personal challenges. I have to keep my chin up and keep moving forward. Adopting positive language like keep your chin up can have a profound effect on our emotional well-being and resilience. It's not just about making others feel better. It's about creating an environment where positivity thrives. By using encouraging phrases, we can foster a sense of hope and solidarity, making it easier to navigate life's ups and downs. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of keep your chin up. We hope this video inspires you to spread positivity and resilience, both in your language and in your life. Remember, words are powerful tools for change, so let's use them to lift each other up. Keep your chin up, and see you in our next video.